Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll learn how to prepare Mutton Paya Soup. So let's get started.
I have taken 4 raw mutton feet. Let's place the mutton feet on the open fire to burn the hair so that it becomes easy to clean our mutton feet. It also adds a smoky flavor to our soup. Once it's done, keep it aside to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. You will need the following ingredients. Add green chilli, ginger, garlic cloves and handful of coriander leaves to the grinder and grind it to a fine paste. Mutton feet should be cooled by now. Now let's wash the mutton feet. Make sure to clean the remaining hair if any. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add finely chopped onions. Now add the grinded paste to it. Add turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix well. Now add mutton feet to the pressure cooker. Add 2 glasses of water. Close the lid and give it 10 to 12 whistles. Mutton Paya Soup has numerous health benefits. It helps you to alleviate your joint pains, improves your muscle strength and leaves you with a very healthy skin. Our Mutton Paya Soup is ready. Take it out in a soup bowl and enjoy it while it's still hot. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.